Hello, I am back and I'm ready to code. Like two, yeah, it's been like 2 days, two whole days. All right, so we're gonna start this one with doing what we did last time because we are doing another challenge. Hooray! I actually like the challenge. I also don't know what I'm looking for. Assets. It's in assets. Import package, custom package, prototype 2 starter files. No. Desktop. With code, challenge files, challenge to start. Bam. Yep, sure. Hopefully this don't take too long because I'm too lazy to pause the recording. Alright, it didn't take too long. Was kind of expecting it to open that. Actually, I might have to open like the files and stuff. I'm also going to go ahead and even those out on values, blah 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 blah. Doesn't matter. Challenge 2, double click it. There we go. Now it's here. Alright. If I zoom this in, yeah, if I zoom it in, it's can't see that. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and check out what we have first. What we need to have doesn't matter. That doesn't matter at all. I'll just put that right there. Open. Oh, it's going to open in that. That's fine. We'll just go ahead and shrink that for the time being. Oh, wait, I could have dragged it up from here, couldn't I have? No? All right, then. Okay, whatever. Oh, I'm getting distracted. Okay. This is what we have at the moment. Um, uh, oh, bye. All right. So at the moment, dogs are spawning randomly. And that's supposed to be balls up there. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and show what it's supposed to look like first. So balls are supposed to be spawning from the top. And then I'm supposed to be able to throw a dog forward and the dog will catch. And what you can't see, and it will also say game over if you miss. What you can't see is that these should also be getting destroyed once they are off the screen. But at the moment, uh, dogs are just sort of spawning instead of balls. And when I hit space, when I hit stop, when I hit space, I spawn a ball. The ball also doesn't disappear. And it's only one type of ball too. I don't know if you realized or if I said, but it has to be multiple types of balls that is spawning. And if the ball touches other entities, it just sort of disappears. I mean, that is supposed to happen when it collides with the dog, but yeah, whatever. All right, we'll just go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and check one thing. All right, before it starts, I want to check what the collision box on this Doggerino is because of the can. We're gonna go ahead and can I like see what he contains? I can right here. Probes, materials. He did at the moment he does not have a collision detector. Um let me spawn a ball and we're gonna check out balls, collision detection, a sphere collider. Got a rigid body which it needs because it needs to obey gravity. Ease trigger, yeah. Alright, so whatever. Just wanted to see what it was like at the moment. Alright. So we are going to check out the code. That's probably a good place to start. Source files. Oh wait, no. Scripts. It would be in scripts. All right, that is 5 scriptorinos. None of my other scripts are open, I don't think. I'm gonna go ahead and just pause this and play it once I open all the scripts. Alrighty. I went ahead and opened up all the scripts and I organized them a bit. All the ones that say X are the ones that are for the current script. I didn't do that. That was already there. I just like moved where they were. That was my organizing. All right. So I think the first thing we're supposed to do, or first thing we're gonna do, is make the dogs not spawn at the top. We're gonna make it spawn balls at the top instead of dogs. Whoops. Like up here with spawning dogs, we're gonna make it spawn balls. I'm not entirely sure how. Okay, so spawn manager. I don't know which one of them. Let's go ahead and look and see which one. Spawn limit right is 7. Spawn limit left is -27. Okay, so I think this is the one that spawns the ball. Ball prefabs, ball prefabs. Are there already prefabs? Pretty sure these are my prefabs. Those are my prefabs. Oh, they have prefabs right here. Ball 1, 2, and 3. Awesome sauceum. I bet this box collider is like huge. Yep. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that now so I don't have to fix it later. Because why would I want to fix something later when I could have it fixed now? The bottom doesn't really need to be perfect. Still gonna try and make it look good, but doesn't need to look perfect or anything. All right, let's go ahead and grab that guy, drag it down. Yeah, looks good enough. Drag this thing all the way over here. Okay, yep, that's definitely what I wanted to do. That's one way to make sure you're looking at it 2D. Drag that there. Drag that there. Click on this again. The front is the main important thing. Get it on the nose. Then we'll go ahead and get this pretty close too. All right. Now we have the box collider all set up a Rooney for the prefab. Now if we go in here, yep, it's good. Okay, we can exit the prefab. I mean, I don't know how to do that, but oh, there we go. All right, now ball prefab. I don't think any of these are in the script or any of them have the script. They have the script move forward and detect collisions. And this guy has destroy out of bounds and move forward. Okay. Well, just go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so we want balls to spawn instead of the dog. So in here, ball game object, ball pre. Okay, let's look at the spawn manager. Let's look at ours. Spawn animal, spawn delay, spawn inter. Have all those. Okay, animal prefabs dot length, and the length is. Oh, the length isn't this. What does it do? Length. What does length do? Whoa. Whoa. No. I am not a nerd. I don't understand that. Right, this is for the random. Oh, we don't want it spawning. Or we do want it spawning random. It's already spawning. So detect collisions, start delay, spawn interval. We already have all of that. All of that's fine. Start delay, spawn interval. Yep. Spawn a random ball. On random ball. I don't think spawn random ball was ever. Someone walked in my room. I don't think that was ever like identified. I don't know. Oh wait, yeah, it was right here. Pff, I'm stupid. All right. I'll be right back. Or not. Alrighty, I'm back. It's been like an hour. Been a little over an hour or so. I don't know. It's probably been longer. Yeah, it's been longer. Doesn't matter. Whatever. Code. I don't remember what I was doing. Something to do with the balls. We're gonna pretend that noise didn't play. Uh, these balls. Do they have? They have destroy out of bounds in them. They're gonna need detect collision too. They have detect collision. Forward. All right, sphere. I do not know like exactly what we need. I can't remember like what to do. All right. Let's go ahead and check spawn manager for this. Spawn random animal, spawn delay, and interval. Animal prefabs and index. Public game object, animal prefabs. There an animal prefabs up here. Oh, where is it spawn? Ball prefab. Well, yeah, it's gonna be ball prefabs. Ball prefabs. Ball prefabs. Why is it at 0? Shouldn't it be like 0 to 1 or something like that? Don't I have it like that? Animal prefabs and index. Animal prefabs. What is the animal index? I don't remember what the animal index is. I cannot put ball index because animal index wasn't over here. Animal index isn't in the code that I wrote. All right, let's. I don't know. It's spawning dogs right now. Shouldn't be spawning the dogs. Like, why would it spawn the dog? What does the dog have that they don't? Dog. Box collider. Forward. Destroy out of bounds. Do any of the scripts have something in them? Player controller. Spawn manager. Move forward. Player controller has dog prefab. What it says. Ball 1, 2, and 3. They already all have spawn manager in them, right? Spawn manager. Spawn man. No, they don't. What? Spawn manager. Spawn manager. Spawn manager. There. Ball prefabs 0. List is empty. What do you mean? It's right here. Add to it. Oh, I remember how this works now. I remember how this works somewhat. Right, but I'm also doing this wrong though. Spawn manager. How did I do it in the other one? Not like this. Because it did it to all of them. Hmm. I do not know. I think I'm gonna have to use a hint. I don't know. I'm gonna try drag all three of these in here. I don't think it's gonna do a single freaking thing. I don't know. Just press play, see what happens. It shouldn't change a single thing. Yeah, not a single thing changed. Well, the balls are disappearing, but that's only because I'm spawning them fast. Why do you not want to work? Ball prefabs, spawn position, ball prefabs, transform dot rotation. Instantiates ball at random spawn location, generates random ball index, spawn a ball at a random location. Blah 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 blah. Spawn random ball. Spawn random ball. Just spawning the wrong thing. How do I make it spawn the right thing? How do I make it spawn the right thing? I'm confused. Move forward, destroy out of bounds. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and look at a hint. No shit. Oh, where's the hints? Bonus? Nope. Nope. Hints. Just look at this one. Click on the spawn manager object and look at the ball prefabs array. Oh, yeah, there has to be a spawn manager object. I forgot about that. Yep. A one. Whoops. A two. And the three. Now these are, can I get rid of these? Because I need to. Own it? Yep, okay. Actually, I mean, I don't know if I need to, but... Uh-oh. Okay, wait. Now I'm confused again. Where is it? Spawn manager, okay. There. Spawn manager. Remove it from there. And yep, it's out of this. Okay. Spawn manager can stay in this. I don't... It's not in there. Okay. It should work now. I don't know. I mean, I might have to adjust the code. I don't know to make it spawn random ones, but let's just hope it works how it's intended to. All right, so far it's spawned ball one every single time. Ball one again. Ball one again. Okay, so I think we have to put 0 through 3, but how do we do through 3? And it's actually through 2, isn't it? Where's spawn manager? I just don't remember how to do that. Spawn delay, spawn interval. Yeah, but how did I make it spawn the random one? Random dot range spawn. How do I place animal precepts, animal index? Can I just do in ball index? What? I do not remember how to do that. Did I just get like really unlucky? I'm gonna go ahead and just like play while I read this, just see if by chance I got really unlucky. Um, I'm looking at it. That is not the case. All prefabs 3, element 0 to 2. Spawn something else. Do it, game. That one changed too. That do. Let me reset this game. All right. Is it going to spawn the second one? Oh, it spawned ball 3. And that's ball 3 again. And that's still ball 3. All right. Okay. So, how do we do 1 through 2? Can I just do 1, 3, or it would be 0, 0. No, can't do that. How do you do this? 0, 2. I did this, and I remember thinking that it made sense how I did it when I did it, but now I can't remember how the hell to do it. All right, that's ball 1 again. Let's see. Still ball 1. God damn it. All right, yeah, that's not working. Okay, on random ball. On random ball. Random dot range, spawn limit left, spawn limit right, spawn position 0, spawn manager, spawn 0, yes. Okay, transform animal. I don't know what animal index and is, and it's confusing me. 'Cause I didn't write it down. Single spot. Oh, it's right here. Initiate animal index. I don't know what animal index is. Spawn manager. Take this away. Take these things away. Fabs. Type those. See if it gives me any like auto completes that are worthwhile. I don't see anything. Yeah, I don't. I might have to go back in the previous lesson to find out what it is. Because I cannot remember. There's spawn limit left, right, spawn manager X, spawn pause Y, random ball, sphere command, yada yada yada. Just a bunch of random stuff that I don't know what it does. That's a tree instance. Yes, that's funny. Vector T, not for this. Yeah, it didn't help at all. Okay, Commander animal index. So I don't know. Ball index. That's not gonna do anything. Spawn manager. Animal index. So we didn't initiate a single thing in this one. All right. Yep. I'm gonna have to go look back in the previous lesson. I'll be back. All right. So I didn't look back on the previous lesson. I just looked at the comments, and for this lesson, it made me realize like I was thinking that we just had to edit this code because, like, I don't know. I was just thinking about that, like, thinking that, but, like, this one does not include that at all. So if we take that, change this to random, whoops, ball, and if you can tell, I already typed it down there, and change this to ball prefabs, then it should work. I just wanted to see, like, what I capitalized and stuff. It should work now. I hope it works, because if it does, then it works. Oh, there's 3. There's 2. Hopefully it doesn't just count down. Oh, it doesn't. There's 3 again. All right. Go. Go dogs. Aren't dogs. Balls. All right, what's the let me I'm pretty sure yeah, dogs spawning at the top of the screen. Fix. The player is spawning green balls instead of dogs. Okay, I bet we can fix that too. Um so spawn manager good for now. Detect collision, move forward, player controller. Not at the well actually player controller. Input instantiate dog prefab, game object, dog prefab. Okay, where is the dog prefab in the game? I need to find it. It's right here. What is in it? Destroy out of bounds. There's a ball in it somewhere. Something like that. Source files. No, I don't think I need to go in any of those. There's the instructions. Um, spawn. I feel like it would be in Spawn Manager, but that helps it spawn those, not the dog. Maybe in player. Oh yeah, ball two. I I just missed that. All right. Now let's see. The dog should just run straight across. There we go. And I already fixed the collision with the dogs. Now it only gets them when you actually hit it. So now we need to make it deal with all the clones that it's making, because as you can see, it's just making clones. None of them are getting destroyed. That's the next thing to do. Hit Control S. I didn't click on anything. Move forward. No. Destroy out of bounds. All right, let's see what's wrong. Destroy game object. Destroy game object. Did you just like not put what the game objects were? Destroy game object. Game over, man. Game over. Destroy game object. How does it know what game object it's destroying? Does this have destroy out of bounds in it? Yes, okay. I was gonna say then it should just work, but that means it's wrong. If this happens, destroy game. Oh wait, that's because it just says wait, if transform dot position dot x more than the left limit, it won't destroy it. And if transform position dot the bottom limit. Hmm. Isn't this the y? Let's just see if that works. I'm gonna check. I can't remember what the axes are. Shut up. That's the X. Let's see if it destroys it. Oh, it does. I mean, I knew that was gonna happen. That was intentional. Let's look. It's increasing on the X axis a lot. So um that is on the X axis, but maybe we need to flippity flop this right there because of like the numbers and shit. Because it might be like trying to put it on the other side. Maybe not. Maybe yeah, maybe it was right the first time. Flippity flop that back around. Control S, position X, Z. It's not Z, or at least it shouldn't be Z, but hey, we might as well try, right? Because you never know. Let's see. Let's see. I don't think he cares about any of this position stuff. X. All right. Left limit is 30. Let's just go ahead and see where 30 is. Excuse me. What? Do that. Okay, let's just go ahead and drag ball onto the scene then so I can see where 30 is. Oh, so 30's over here. So it needs to be negative 30. Okay. But even 30 is still pretty freaking low. It doesn't really matter to Z. We might change it, but it needs to be negative. Little S. Alrighty. Come on, take me to Unity. All right. Lapse that. Let's see if the Doggerino disappear. Okay. So no, not negative 30. Left limit. Transformed out position X. If this position is greater, if the X position is greater than the left limit, it is gonna get destroyed. So if it is greater than 30, which is over here, it'll get destroyed. We need it to be if it's less than negative 30. All right. I got this. Less than negative 30. Control S. On that. All right, click on this. Let's see. Oh. Well, let's go. The dog disappears a little early, I think, but no, it's fine if you zoom it in. Yeah, if you zoom the game in, it's fine. All right, hold on. Let me try and actually, I don't want to do that. Oh, wait, no, I can't because of how the layouts work. All right, we're going to go ahead and go full screen with this. See if it. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good. Good. Alrighty. It's a dog centipede. Delete. Oh, what? We're gonna layout. Stop the play mode. All right. Make sure this is recording because that would absolutely suck. Suck balls. Haha. All right. Last time I didn't follow the instructions or what I was supposed to do next, but now I am just simply because I don't know. Destroyed. I already fixed that. Already fixed that right in the beginning. Nothing is being destroyed off screen. I'll also already fixed that. Um, only one type of ball is being spawned. Also fixed that. Okay, maybe I didn't do this in the right spawn. This didn't even have like a. I thought that it was supposed to have a game over screen. Wait a minute. Close the prefabs, open the instructions, challenge. Let's see. I don't know. I thought it was supposed to have a game over screen. It doesn't matter. That's fine. I was gonna say have my assets back. Okay. So the spawn interval is always the same. Make the spawn interval a random value between 3 and 5 seconds. That is a lot of comments right there. Jesus, that's even more. All right. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and guess this one up. These are the bonus ones. They're like, hey, you might have to look this up. And I spent half an hour trying to make something rotate last time. Let's see if I can not do that. I forgot what I was supposed to be doing already. Um, Spawn interval is always the same. All right, make it spawn differently. Spawn manager. Start delay, spawn interval. Spawn interval. What if I did like a random dot range? Turn a random integer within that read only. So what if I did a random dot range and put spawn interval, added different spawn interval? What if I went private float spawn interval? Like, are you allowed to do the spawn interval equals? I'm gonna assume it doesn't want me to. 5F. I'm assume. Yeah, it doesn't like you to do that because it already exists. Okay. So we'll go ahead and spawn interval equals. I have it. I have it be just different things, just like 4.5.0F. No, you can't. Aw. I didn't think so, but it would have been nice, right? Why are you the? Oh, I was like, why are you wrong? Okay. And random. So we want it on the start. Start is called just before any update methods is called first time. Spawn random ball is the where it spawns the random ball. I mean, we want it in this one. We want ball. We want spawn interval, or we want to make our own of this sorta. Random ball start delay spawn interval. We want spawn interval to be different. We want to make spawn interval something special. I don't know how to do that, but we'll do it somehow. I'm gonna I'll come back when I have an idea. Okay, so I had an idea. I don't what did I put that there? I don't know. Just gonna pretend it's not there. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and add a I think I don't know if they need to be private. I'm making them. Doesn't matter. Private float. And we're gonna go ahead and not add another one yet because we need to do this one. It's gonna be a maximum. I forgot the X in maximum. Is that even how you spell maximum? It doesn't matter. Well, maximum. Maximum is gonna be 5. We're just gonna name it maximum and minimum just because that's here. Maximum 5F. And Christ, I forgot to end it. All right. And I also put a plus. Keep messing everything up. Maximum. All right. Enter private. Don't want that. Private. Float. Min. I'm pretty sure these have like 2 M's or 2 N's for minimum, but it doesn't matter. Minimum 0. No, minimum is going to be 2. Because that's what the one thing said, but I also doesn't matter. Like all. Minimum 2. All right. And then in the start, why in start? I don't know. 'cause it can't. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah. All right. Random dot range. Random dot range. This guy. Whoopsie dipsies. This guy. And yes, that right there. Sorta. I need the minimum first. All right. Minimum inclusive. What's that? Whoa, don't press that. I just want. That's not even what it's spelled. I just realized. Minimum, maximum. Does it? What is that gonna work? Oh, I have absolutely not the slightest clue. Let's see. All right, we're waiting. All right, we'll see. All right. I should probably get a timer, shouldn't I, to time these balls? All right, let me grab a timer. All right, I tried to get a timer up on the screen, but I couldn't find one, so I'm just gonna count. Yeah. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. I think they're all the same. I know I'm not the best at counting same speed, but it doesn't matter. It didn't work. Son of a butthole. Hmm. How could we fix this? Is there like a time thing? Time. What does time do? Interface information from you. Yes, let's see. Time. Time dot total number of frames since the start of the game. Captured stuff. Time. Time at the beginning of the current frame in seconds since it starts. Oh, that could work. Plus equals time. Why you no work? Time at the beginning of the current frame in seconds. No, I want to know why you don't want to work. Time. It should be at a voids. It should be. Excuse me. Give me those back. Update calls directly. So it should be at void start time, and then time. Time. That work? The variable time doesn't exist. Well, of course it doesn't exist. I didn't make it. All right. Let's try and take this, Control X, and put it in this. I don't think that's going to help at all, but hey, might as well try it, right? Might as well see if it does something. All right, got to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. So it didn't work. All right. I'll be back once I get another idea. All right. So I've been trying to mess with the timer thing. Doesn't seem to be working. But I had an idea that I have forgotten. Oh boy, do I love this. A random dot range, minimum, maximum. Uh, what if I like did something like this? Control X. This is like right here. What I'm about to do. 100% complete guess. All right. We're going to go ahead and make our own. Can I even like do this right here? Void. Yeah, void. And then and oh, I should probably capitalize it. And ball random ball spawn. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing, so don't freaking ask. Okay? Just don't ask. Oopsies. All right, random ball spawn, and then put that in there, and then in spawn interval, put ran and random ball spawn. Ball. Okay, so that's not allowed. Okay. Woo. On. On. Spawn. Oh my gosh. Random ball spawn. Okay, so that's not allowed. Why? Cannot convert method to a non whatever type float. Did you intend to invoke this method? Okay, so hmm. Okay, what then? I guess yet again, I'll be back when I get another idea. All right, so I ended up having to just look it up, and uh, I ended up just writing spawn interval random dot range this. Then I got rid of the number that was in spawn interval. Then I added this down here. But there is a bit of a problem with the code at the moment. Um does it does break, and what you literally were just working. Okay, it wasn't working, it would break, but like come on. I forgot to hit save, that's why. All right. Okay, so it spawns the balls. It's like, oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good spawn rate. Oh wait, it's picking up. Oh, it's spawning faster. Oh god. Oh god, what's happening? Oh god, look at the ball. And then it just breaks because they all have collision detection. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. I want to see this turn into a solid bar. Huh. I should probably pause that so it doesn't break. Uh-oh. Okay. All right. So I don't know how to fix that. Just thought I should give an update before I end up like finishing the code. I don't know. I'll be back when it's fixed. Okay, it's literally been a couple of seconds, but I don't I want to like show what I'm doing, so I'm just going to hit Control Z a bunch to undo what I did. Okay. So, I realized that oh, this also said invoke repeating. I'm not fixing that, but I made this to invoke, and I'm also going to make this to invoke. But invoke, if it will show us, needs you can't see my finger when I'm pointing at this stuff. It says string method name and a float time. So it only gets this one of these. We need the start delay there, and we need the spawn interval here. And then that should fix the code. I hope it does. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Okay, now I'm a little confused. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, so it works. All right. I'm going to change this because I can to 0.1 just to see what happens because I don't know because I can. I'm the one making this, not you, loser. That's right. All right, so now, yeah, how it does this. Yeah. If I'm being honest, I was hoping for something more exciting than this. Being completely honest. All right. Go ahead and put that back to 2. I am lowering this to 4 though, because I want it to be faster. Because I'm impatient. I'm an impatient person. Don't make me wait. All right, let's try and play the game. It's space, right? Yeah, space. Go. Yeah, let's go. Got one of them. Got the other one. Shit. Shit. I don't know if I got that one. Oh, shit. 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 All right. Let's go. Let's go. Shit. Shit. All right. That means that okay, well, I no longer need that. That means spawn intervals is the same, or not always the same. Bam. Now the player can spam it, make it so he can't spam it, he being me. All right. Player control it, instantiate, dog prefab, transform, blah de blue de blue de blah. Get keycode space. If keycode space, I don't know how I'm going to do this, so I'm going to mess around with the timer probably. I'll get back to you once progress is made. All right, so it's been a bit, but hey, you don't need to know how long it's been. I haven't checked if this code works, but I have to like go sleepy by because it's late. So yeah, this better work. See if I can spam it. I still can. Shit. Shit indeed, Weston. Shit indeed. Son of a bucket head. I'll be right back. All right, I added literally just timer equals interval. Yeah, you can look at this if you want to. I can't explain it. Don't have time. Sucks for you. Ha ha. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Yes. Ha. Now I can play the game, and it makes it even harder. All right. Well, I struggled a lot, but it was still fun to make it. So, see you next time.